I have given some assignment to you. Is it completed? Is the assignment complete now, or still you need some time to complete it?
No, I'll complete in the next class. I don't have time to complete.
Okay. And what about Karthik? Is it done? Is it completed, Karthik?
Ma'am, I have created a uh, mails through mail all the websites what I have told last previous section, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like Medium, Quora,
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
but I didn't written any topic or any in that, and I will complete by the next session, ma'am.
Okay, okay, no problem.
I
So
have created
just
accounts on all that websites, but I didn't complete full task, ma'am.
okay, okay, no problem. Just try to complete it by the next session, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Mhm.
Yes, Anirban, what about you? Have you completed the assignment?
Actually, fully I'm not completed. And man, where to share actually? One
On the
actually.
portal, you'll find the link to upload your assignment.
Okay, means it's there in the some project like that or
Yes,
some.
yes. In the assignment section, you will find the link to upload your assignment. Okay?
Okay, means I have to
You check.
send the link and I have to submit like that.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, yes. Correct, correct.
okay, 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 ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am,
oh. Yes, yes, Karthik.
ma'am, like Tumblr, we have created account, now, ma'am. If
Mm-hmm.
we write any matter in that, then
Okay.
there will be no link, no, ma'am. Just we have to take a screenshot and we can upload it.
No, 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 no. On the Tumblr, you can submit an article or the link from your website, or I have told you to submit the link
Student
on
and
Suvalent.
student and yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So that you can submit. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubt? Any other query? No? Okay. So let's continue with the off page SEO techniques. I'm sharing that PPT once again. So we were actually doing the article submission part, right? So how we can find this article submission websites? Where will you find this websites to submit your articles? On Google, you have to search for free article submission websites, right? And there you will find different websites to submit your articles. You there will be lot of websites, right? So if you don't find proper navigation on any of the website, don't waste your time there. Just switch to another website and try to search there. Okay, is that clear? Is it clear how to find the websites, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after article submission websites, we have comments technique. Okay. So what is this comments technique? For this, what you have to do, you have to find some blogging websites. Okay, where comments are allowed, but try to find blogging websites where which are actually related to your domain, and you have to write a comment on particular article and insert your link in the comment. How will you do that? Let's see this. You have to find blog commenting websites. Okay, blog commenting websites free. Okay, so here there are 100 plus blog commenting websites, right? So just click on this. Okay. First of all, we have neilpatel.com. So here you can easily comment, okay, on Neil Patel website. You just have to go to this website, copy the URL and paste it. This is the website, right? Here
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will
I have seen this yesterday, ma'am. While
yeah,
creating Tumblr,
yeah.
I have checked this on also, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So, like this, you have this list of blog commenting websites. You can go to these websites and you can directly post your comment. But the comment that you are posting should be related to whatever you are related to the article that is written by the writer. Okay, so it should not mismatch, and the link you are sharing, that also should be related to that article. Okay, so try to find out the articles or blogs which are related to your business, right? Is it clear? So this way you have to find an article. For example, Stu Valley is related to digital marketing only, right? So, and this website is also related to digital marketing. So we can easily post comment here, right? And we can write, uh, see here we can directly put the URL, but the commenting section I can't see here.
Ma'am, I didn't get it, ma'am.
Acha, you also didn't get. Comment is
No,
here.
no,
It is
no,
not
ma'am.
available.
No, ma'am. You told how to comment here, Stu Valley, but I didn't get that. What, ma'am?
It is not
Can you
available
repeat it
here.
once?
Okay. Earlier it was available in this website, but I think it is removed now. So I think we can comment here, or we have to sign in for commenting, I think. Comment section is not available on this website now. Okay, no problem. We can go to another website. You can check another website. Let's check this one. Sorry. So this is another website, and let's see if here it is available. Yes. So here the comment section is available. You have to write your comment here, how you like this article and what they have mentioned in the article related to that, something you can write. Here you have to put the name. So in the name section, try to write the title or keyword of your website. Okay, and include in the comment section itself, you can include this article was good, and sorry, praise the article, and after that you can write it like, you can visit my website too, and this is the link of my website. In this form you can write. Okay, this is how you have to post a comment on any website, right? And here either you have to put the keyword of your website, or you can put the business name of your means whatever your business name is. Okay, that you have to type, and here you have to type the email. I will recommend use separate email. Don't use personal email here. Reason is, what will happen when you will use your personal email for this off page SEO activity, um, your email will get filled, because these websites, they used to send lot of emails, right? And it will overload your email. So it is better to use separate email ID for this off page SEO activity. Okay, you can use your personal email ID also, there is no problem, but the thing is it will get full soon. Okay, so to avoid this problem, just use the separate one for off page SEO activity. Okay, so block commenting is clear. How to do the block commenting and how to find the websites. See, on the first website we didn't find the commenting section, right? So I tried to search, but I didn't get. So I left the website and I switched to another website. This is how you have to proceed with all the websites. Okay, clear? Any query regarding this?
Ma'am,
Yes, Karthik.
here mentioning the email is compulsory or we can leave it, ma'am.
No, it is compulsory. See here, you can see this streak mark, right? So wherever you
They're mentioning the email is compulsory, ma'am. But
huh.
what I'm trying to saying is,
Mhm.
we created a website on our email, no, ma'am.
Yes.
So we have to mention that email, or we can skip that email and we can give any other like.
Any other email you can use. It is not compulsory to use your website email only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. For personal, they will mail us about our website, or they will send some spam
Uh,
messages.
yes. They will every now and then they will send some any updates related to their website or something, right? So it will actually no fill your email. Sorry, your inbox, right? So it is better to use separate email ID for the soft pages you activity, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is block commenting. I hope this is clear. This process is clear. Any doubt in this? Anyone? No? Okay. After block commenting, next technique we have is
Ma'am, I have one
yes,
doubt, ma'am.
yes, Karthik.
Before commenting, what they
Mhm.
have provided article in the website, we have to read and we have to mention. Initially, we have to mention about that website
Article.
articles.
Yes.
After that, we have to say, I have also a website I have created, and we have to share the link in that comment box.
Yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am. First, we have to read the article and we have to mention the comment about it.
Yes, because the comment should be relevant now. Why will they approve our comment on their website? It should have some appraisal for their comment, no? Sorry, their article, no? Then only they will approve our article. So this is how we have to do this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After this, um, so what we are doing with this commenting, with this guest blogging, or with this article submission, what we are actually doing, we are doing link building process. Okay. So what is link building? What is the process of link building? Link building is actually um, acquiring backlinks from other websites to your own website, right? And quality backlinks from authoritative websites signals to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy, right? So this is how we do link building, and these are the different techniques of link building, right? So after this, next technique we have is PPT submission. Okay, PPT submission, infographic submission, and image submission. These three things we can do together. uh, like there are some PPT submission websites free. Sorry. So I have searched for PPT submission websites here, and can you see this? SlideShare and Script? These are Wattpad, Slides. These are actually very good websites for earning backlinks. Okay, and it is very easy to navigate. Okay, so let's see these websites. First of all, it is SlideShare. Uh, so slideshare.net. I'll share the link in chat box. I've shared a link in the chat box. You can save this link. Okay, this is very good website. So here, what you have to do, you can see. You have to log in first, and here is the option for uploading. Okay, so you can upload presentations, documents, infographics, okay, PowerPoint presentations, documents, PDFs, all these things you can upload here, right? So directly you have to log in and upload your document or PPT documents, whatever infographics you want to share, you can share here on this website. Okay, so how will you create PPT? Which platform you are using for creating presentations? Anyone already using any platform for creating presentations?
Microsoft Word, ma'am.
Sorry, Microsoft Word. Okay, yes, okay, that we can use. If you are creating a presentation for digital marketing website, let's say for Stu Intern website, right? So what you will include in your presentation? What things we
Like
can? Yes.
like
Your voice is breaking, Karthik.
articles and
Mhm.
images of the articles of about that. We can include the images of that one.
Mhm. Means whatever services we are providing, or if in case of Stu Valley, what courses we have, and
Like an
we,
overview.
yes, for the overview of the courses that we can include, and the links to our pages, okay, the different pages to our website, okay, that we can include in the presentation, and we will upload it directly on this website. Okay, very good, Surya and Karthik. So now next is infographic. What is infographic? Any idea about infographics? Varnita, any idea about infographics? No? Okay.
No,
Uh,
ma'am.
okay, no problem. So anyone using Canva already? Canva platform?
Yes, ma'am.
Canva already using. Okay, what about
Yes.
others? Varnita already using.
Yes.
Karthik and Anirban, are you using Canva?
No, ma'am.
No? Anirban, are you using Canva already?
Yes, ma'am.
Canva already using. Okay, I'm sharing the screen of Canva. See, Karthik, on Canva also it is very good platform, and you can use it for free also for creating images, videos, okay, everything. So you just have to log in with your Gmail ID there also. It is canva.com. I'm sharing link with you. Okay, I have shared the link in chat box. This is the Canva platform, okay, and this is the free version, okay. So here you can create documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media posts, videos, okay, websites also you can actually create here, okay. So different templates are available here. On the left hand side you can see all the things. So these are the different templates available for different things, okay, for phone wallpapers, for mobile videos, for documents, for social media, okay, Instagram, or for different platforms there are different templates available according to the dimensions allowed in that particular platform, okay. So here you can actually create the infographics too. What are infographics? Infographics are actually you can see these are the examples of infographics. They contain information about any topic. It can be any event, it can be any course, any no, any business, okay. So it contains information about any particular topic. For example, let's select this template, okay. So what this template contains, here they have given some how to be successful in business. Okay, this is the topic of their infographic, and they have mentioned some important points related to how to become a successful business, how to be a successful business person, right? So regarding marketing, hard work, communication, ideas and data, you have to just write your own matter here. Okay, so this is how you can create infographic on Canva. And other than this, you can create images for social media posts too. You can create videos, also presentations also you can create from here on the Canva platform. Okay, so this is very good platform, and in free version also you will get many no options here in the Canva. So you should try this. Okay, Karthik. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So infographic also you can create from here, and after this you have to submit it here. Okay, the infographic also documents presentation, so you have to try out this website also, right? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Slide share is also clear. Now after this, the next website we have is Scribd. Okay, so Scribd, this is scribd.com. mm, Link I'm sharing in the chat box. Okay, so this is script.com, and directly here you can you can sign in and upload your document here. Okay, so it is just like that previous one only, slide share. Okay, you can upload your PDFs, documents, PPTs, okay, Excel sheets, presentations, everything here. Okay, so whatever you want, whatever form of document or presentation you have prepared, that you can directly upload here. Okay, clear? And it is for free. Okay, is it clear? So this is the another website for document and infographic submissions, right? So through images, through videos, through presentations, through infographics, how we can make a backlink for our website. We will include the information about our business in images, in infographics, in videos, in presentations, and we will give link to our website in that particular document, and we will share it on different types of websites available. Okay, clear? Process is clear? So image submission, infographic submission, PPT submission is done. For video submission, you can either use the YouTube channel itself. Okay, um, do you have anyone is having YouTube channel already? Anyone already having YouTube channel? No one have YouTube channel? Okay, so that also I am sharing how to um, create your own YouTube channel. Just go to the youtube.com. Okay, and create your channel from here. mm, okay, here already channel is created from this Gmail ID. mm, One second. YouTube channel creation I will show you in the next session, because I have to switch my profile for that. Okay, so channel creation I will show you in the next session, but for video submissions you can use this YouTube channel. Okay, and other than this, on Facebook, on Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, Tumblr, everywhere on these platforms you can share your videos too. Okay, so if you have any YouTube channel or you have created any video for backlink purpose, for creating awareness about your business, you can submit your videos on these platforms. Okay, clear? So all these things, all these techniques, at least for once you have to try it. Okay, is it clear? All the techniques you have to try for once. Okay, everyone is having this SEO PPT now, right? It is shared in the group also. So if you don't have it, you can download it from the group. Okay, Sita ma'am has already shared it in the group.
Ma'am, we have to create a video, right?
Huh,
That
you have to create the video. Topic, you can take any topic. Okay,
if
for
needed
beginner.
now, we can upload it in our site, right?
Yeah, not on your website. You have to
Okay.
submit on these websites, like on Facebook you can share, on Instagram you can share, you can share it on LinkedIn or Reddit or Tumblr, whatever website you know which allows the video submission. On that website you can share your video. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is video submission, and after this, mm, one second. uh, okay, so after this, next thing we have is broken link building technique. Heard about this technique earlier? Broken link building, what is it? How to do this? No. See, what is this technique? It is very interesting technique. Broken link building is actually, we have to find broken links on other websites. Okay, other websites. Which websites we will select? The websites that are related to our domain. Okay, related to our theme, related to our business. Okay, for example, if I am dealing in digital marketing business, so I will find the websites related to digital marketing. Okay, and I will find broken links on these websites and suggest my content as a replacement for their broken link. Okay, this is known as broken link building technique. Okay, so is the technique clear? Is it clear what
Ma'am,
to do?
can
Huh?
you repeat, ma'am?
Can
Little bit
repeat.
Yes,
voice breaking, ma'am.
yes, yes. See, the technique is, what we have to do. We have to find the websites, okay, which are related to our business. Okay, for example, if my business is, for example, it is related to some hotel. Okay, I'm having a vegetarian hotel, so I will search for the websites dealing in this profession only. Okay, in hotels profession only. Okay, so I'll find the websites, and on those websites I will find the broken links. What are broken links? For example, on if I have visited any of the website, and on their website some pages are not found, the link is broken. Okay, 404 error is there. Okay, so by any chance uh, the page is not available. Okay, so what I will do, I will take the screenshot, I will save the link of that particular page, and I will email to the website owner that this page of your website is broken. Okay, and people are not getting anything on your website here, on any content. So I am suggesting this content of mine for this page of your website. Just replace your broken link with this content, and give me a backlink on your website. Okay, means just mention my brand name in within your article. Okay, that's it. This is the technique. Is it clear now, or still confusing? Yes or no? Kartik, is it clear now? Surya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
But they
Kartik?
have to give the link, no, ma'am. It is possible.
Yes, see, that is up to them only. We can just request. Okay, we
Okay.
can just request ki
The
we
requesting
are
of the link is called as the broker link, right?
sorry.
The requesting is called as the broker link.
Yes, means we have to first find out the broken link. For example, how will we find that? We have some tools for finding out broken links. For example, I'm sharing screen. Free broken link checker. Okay, we will find free broken link checker. So let's say this is the tool. So for any website we have to type the URL of that website. Okay, for example, this is the website and it has too many broken links. So security code we have to type here. Okay, distinct. Okay, find broken links now. So it will check the website and find the broken link on that particular website. Okay, so after finding the links, we will email to the website owner that I have found these broken links on your website, and we can suggest our own article or our own content in the replacement of that broken link, and we can request them to provide a backlink or a brand mention in that article to our website. Okay, that's it. Now after this, after processing this, that is up to the website owner if they will allow us or not. Okay, this is the process. Is still finding. Process is clear to everyone? Surya, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so uh, it is still processing it. Yes, so now it has mentioned only one link here. That is actually I think it is a link to a comment. Let's see the URL. Page where found. URL is okay. So this is the URL, and yes, images are broken here. Okay, so we can suggest images, or if the link is broken, so we can suggest them links. Okay, means the article we can whatever is broken there, means if the images are broken, so we can suggest our images to them. We can create images and we can suggest images to them. Or if the link is broken, means there is no broken link available on this website, I think. But if the 404 error or something comes, so what will happen, we will create an article and we will uh, suggest that article in the replacement of their existing error, means the broken link. Okay, is it clear how
Yes,
to do
ma'am.
this?
How to ask them for the request?
See, on every website, at least the email will be there on all the websites, right? Or either you can email them, okay, or you can comment on their website. Okay, these two things we can do. Okay, so request through email. Email is the good option. Try to find out the email, because it is actually it is generally available on all the websites, right? So try to reach them through their email. Okay, and you can request them through the email that this link of your website is broken, and I am suggesting this content for in the replacement of that. Just provide me the backlink in return of that. Okay, this is how you can proceed with this. Clear? Clear now? So this is the
Yes.
broken link technique. Okay. After this, next technique we have is skyscraper technique. Okay. So what is skyscraper technique? Skyscraper technique is actually, we have to find the popular content on any topic which is related to our business, right? And after finding the popular content means the content that is ranking on top position on search engine result page. Okay, so we'll find out that content, we will create something better than that, and then we can reach out to those who are already linking to the original content to get a backlink from them to our website too. This is the skyscraper technique. Okay, means this we will not do on any other's website. We will create a content on our website that will be better than the top ranking content, and after that we will try to get backlinks from all those websites who are actually giving backlink to the already existing original content. Clear? This is known as skyscraper technique. Is it clear? Skyscraper technique is clear, or any doubt in this? Should I repeat it once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat? Okay. So skyscraper means, what is skyscraper? The tallest building, right? So here skyscraper means the top ranking content. Okay. So we will find out the top ranking content of our domain. Okay, or related to our business. We will find out that top ranking content, and we will try to create better content than that on our website. Okay, after creating that article on our website, we will try to get backlinks from those websites who are actually giving backlink to the original content. Okay, means the content that is ranking right now, and the websites who are providing backlink to that content, we will reach out to those websites for getting backlink from those websites for our website. Clear? Is it clear now? Technique is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I think I should give an example. For example, let's search for best hotels and resorts in Lonavala. Okay. So uh, see, this is the, for example, this is the top ranking website. Okay, and let's say there is an article about top ranking, best hotels and resorts in Lonavala. Okay, so what we will do, if this is the top ranking website, we'll open this website. Okay, will, because this contains the hotel's name, so we'll not go for this, but we'll go for some blog or some content, right? So we'll find the content, we'll read the content, and we will try to write better content than that. Okay, and after writing on our website, okay, and after that we will try to get backlinks from those websites who are linking to this article, to this content. Clear? Clear now? The process is clear, everyone?
Ma'am, I little bit confused now in example.
Still confused? Okay, I'll take some another example. Let's say best best size of images for website. Let's say this is the keyword. Okay, and these are the websites ranking on this particular content. Okay, so for example, let's say this is the Shopify is the top ranking content, right? We'll open this content, and we will try to write content better than this content. Whatever is written in this content, we will try to write better content than this on our website. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will try to get backlinks from those websites who are linking to this original content. Clear? How will we find out those websites who are giving backlink to this website? By backlink checker. Okay, itna process clear hai? Is it clear now how to proceed with this? Is it clear how to create a content? That is clear. Backlink checker
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will I will show you, but up to this it is clear. Okay, so there is a tool called backlink checker, free backlink checker, where we can actually 1 second, instead of here we will, okay, free backlink checker. Okay, so we'll search for free backlink checker. Let's say I'm using this, and here I will copy the URL of this content. Okay, this was the original content which is ranking, so I will copy the URL of this content and go to this free backlink checker, paste the URL here, and check the backlinks. Backlinks means the websites those are providing backlink to this content. Check the websites, it will give us the link of all the websites that are providing backlink to this content. Okay, so see, these are the backlinks, these are the websites which are providing backlinks to this particular page. Okay, there are 214 backlinks, right? So we will go to this website after creating better content than the existing one. We will reach out to these websites, and we will try to get backlinks from these websites, either by sharing our article, by commenting, any of the technique we can use, but we will reach out to these websites. Okay, is it clear now? Is it clear? The process is clear now? Karthik, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this was the uh, skyscraper technique, right? After this we have social bookmarking technique. Okay, so what is social bookmarking technique? There are some websites which allow you to bookmark your content on their websites, so that the traffic that is coming on their website, they can read your article, they can read your content, and if they find it useful or important, they can redirect to their website, redirect to your website from that particular website. Okay, this process is known as social bookmarking. Okay, how to do this, that I am sharing. That 1 second, social bookmarking websites. Let's search for social bookmarking websites first. Social bookmarking websites, free. Okay, so we have Reddit, we have Slashdot, Pinterest, Scoopit, Digo. These are very good websites for getting backlinks, right? Scoopit, we can see this. Scoopit is very good website. Scoopit, I'm sharing link with you in chat box. Okay, so you have to log in first with your Gmail ID, and after that I have already created account on scoop it. Okay, so I don't have to fill it again, but you can create your free account here, right? Please click on the box that has all objects included in the sample. Oh, mm, don't- mhm. It is not clickable. Please click on the ones present in the sample image. Okay, next. Mhm. Greater than the reference value. Okay. Okay. Now it is verified and okay. So this is the dashboard of this uh, scoop it. Okay, so how you have to start with this, you have to first make your profile here. Okay, it will ask you some details about you or your business, so just upload all the things. After this, you can start publishing your content. Either you can create a topic, but for that you have to upgrade it. So we'll we will proceed with the free plan. Okay, so just click on new scoop available here. Here you have to write the title or the keyword of your article for which you are creating a backlink. Okay, and here you have to provide the description. Description will be like the meta description that you write for your article. Okay, so try to create a unique meta description for your article here. Okay, that explains what is there in your content. Okay, and you can provide the link of your website or to your page here directly. I have already attached my backlink here. You can directly attach your website link in within your profile if you want, or you can include that in the description section also. Okay, here you have to provide tags for your content. Tags just like hashtags that we use on social media, right? So those tags you have to write here, means the keywords on which people can find your content. Okay, after doing this you have to publish this scoop. Okay, that's it. That's how you can bookmark your website on the Scoopit website, and whenever the traffic will come to this Scoopit website, and if they like the bookmarking of your website, they can directly reach to your website and uh, read the full article. Okay, is it clear? Process is clear. How to do this social bookmarking? Is it clear, or is there any query, any confusion? Okay, so it's done. After this, social bookmarking is done. After social bookmarking, we have another technique, that is Web 2.0. Okay, so what is Web 2.0? It is just like article submission only. So we have to go to the um, Blogger or WordPress free version. Okay, and there we can create a free website or free content. Okay, and we can earn backlink from these websites. How will we do this? Now let's search for again Web 2.0 here. Web 2.0 websites. Okay, so Blogger is there, WordPress is there, Medium is there, Wix, Reddit, Hub Pages, Tumblr, Weebly, LiveJournal. These are the different websites available. WordPress, we are already using free version of the WordPress. Blogger, we have seen in the last session, right? So you have to just go to these websites, create an article there, and in that article you have to include a backlink to your original website, okay, or the backlink to your article for which you want to create a backlink. Okay, is that clear how to do this? Web 2.0 is clear? Any doubt in this? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, Karthik.
we have created WordPress now, ma'am.
Yes.
So again, we have to write article where, ma'am?
uh, you have to create another website. See, WordPress you
Okay,
are
okay.
using, there is one original website, okay, for which you are creating backlink. Okay, so for backlink purpose you have to create another free website, okay, where you will put an article praising the article that you have written on your original website, okay, and you have to provide backlink for that particular website. Clear?
We have to create new website, and in that new website we have to mention what I have created the article of my own website, and there I have to provide the backlink
Yes,
link
correct,
of the website.
correct. Originally what will happen, you will not create a backlink for free version of website, right? You will create a backlink when you purchase the domain, okay, because that you want to rank, right? So when you purchase the domain, that domain is different, and when you create a backlink for from any web 2.0, like if you will create a free WordPress website and you will put an article praising your original website, so that will be different. Means what search engine and others will think that this particular website from WordPress, it is mentioning this another website and praising the content of this website. That means this website is having good content actually. So this is how it works. Okay, is it clear?
We have created news website which represents the backlink. So there
Mhm.
we are mentioning what the article of our own website. We have to mention it clearly there also, ma'am. A new
Yes,
website.
yes, that also you have to mention.
After mentioning that, we have to provide our website link
Backlink.
there.
Yes, correct. Okay, is it clear
Uh,
now? Yes, Karthik.
backlink is nothing but our website link only, ma'am. Or
Yes,
any.
yes. No. Our website link only.
Okay.
Okay, clear. So try to
Yes,
do all these techniques, try to use all these techniques, and if you have any query in processing any of these techniques, you can ask me in the next session. Okay, just try to do all these things practically. Okay, clear.
yes,
And
ma'am.
you
In
have
this
the
session,
PPT.
there is a.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. In this session, there is a lot of
Queries.
work queries
Okay.
and work about that
No problem, no
PPT
problem.
creation also.
No problem. Just try to create it. We will solve all the queries in the next session. Okay. Everyone, just try
Okay.
to do this till the next session. Okay. Take care. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's wind up the session for today.